Now the users of accounting informations are nothing but, first, at the individual level, everyone is going to, at the individual level people use the accounting information. Second, at the business level people use it, where the different businesses come together. One company checks the balance sheet of the another company in order to have the merger, acquisition, or for selling of the company or purchasing of the company. So as far as the business is concerned, business levels are there. The investors and creditors, investors are always interested in investing in the company which is actually a very healthy company and is going to give profits. Creditors give credit to the company who are always eligible for the credit. The eligibility is checked by the financial situation of the company. If you are having good financial status, no, creditors are going to give you more credit. As well as the government regulation agencies, they're required for the ad purposes, value added tax, or the GST nowadays, good sell tax or service tax, or it might be for the custom duty, it might be for the income tax, or all the different kinds of taxation purposes. The government regulatory policies, they require the information. So for the taxation authorities, I already suggested, even the government want to introduce some subsidy plans for different kinds of products. So they want how the companies are keeping, whether they are in profits or going in losses. As far as the petroleum industry is concerned, a lot of people take the subsidies. As far as the solar panel industry or LED system panels are concerned, or the agri industries are concerned, the people want some subsidies from the government. So they also require the accounting information. And in non-profit organizations do need to, they're also the users of accounting information. As far as the corporate social responsibility factor is there, in order to give more and more feedback to the people, more and more wealth to the people, as far as the philanthropists are concerned. So they ask for some share of the company for the poor people. So these are the users of accounting information. Now, who are the external users? There are investors who are interested in investing of the company. There are creditors, there are regulators of the company, there are customers of the company, there are competitors. Now, why the customers require information? Customers also want to check whether, for example, if any customer is purchasing on the basis of providing the advance for some product. For example, if you are purchasing a car and if you are giving 10,000 rupees as a booking, so customer wants to check whether the uh, car company is that eligible that I can pay for booking, so that I can get my money back if they don't provide me car. So I just gave an example. Why the competitors want the accounting information. They want to know the financial status of the company. Always, if the financial status is good, the more stronger is the competitor. If the financial status is gone, the competitors become weak. you know the regulators, as far as the SEBI is concerned, SEBI or the stock exchange people, they also require the information because to work good in the share markets. So creditors are shown and investors also shown in the previous slide. So these are the users of information. These are, and who are all the internal users? Internal users are the owners of the company. The management people, the owners of the company. You can see the director body. uh, so the owners is nothing but the director body of the company. Second is the managers of the company at each and every level, and the employees of the company. Why the employees also want to work in the healthy company. If the company is going to go in when, then why these people will work? Managers also want for taking different kind of decisions. Managers require information. Owners also require the information. They want to know how much profit they're earning, or whether they're going in loss, or whether they want to expand more in business. So they are the basic users of the internal users of the accounting information. Now we'll see why these external users, to make decisions about the entity, and the internal users, they also make decisions for the entity, and external users think about the entity. So this is the difference between the user roles for which the accounting information is being required. Thank you. Stay tuned.